This is Tecno Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can use the TalkBack feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Special Function category, go all the way to the bottom of this page and enter the Accessibility options. Here, open the TalkBack page. Now you can enable it or disable it by using this toggle here.
Close tutorial. Close. Allow Android accessibility. Double tap to act TalkBack. On. Stop. TalkBack off.
So that's how you enable or disable it from here. But there is more convenient way to do that by enabling the accessibility shortcut. So from any place on your phone, you can enable it. Don't even have to enter settings. And you can also conveniently disable it this way. So let's quickly get back to the accessibility settings. Here you can go into here and change the TalkBack shortcut preferences. You can make it so that if you'll select the hold volume keys option, that the accessibility can be disabled by simultaneously pressing and holding the both volume keys. So do that for 3 seconds.
Music volume set to 0%.
And the TalkBack should be deactivated.
Turn on TalkBack shortcut. Don't turn TalkBack.
Then you can also go into settings.
TalkBack set on.
And change them here. So that would cover more or less everything. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention and bye-bye.